Uh, Looks like you've been busy today, Mary. What's up?
It's a Father's Day surprise, and I know Jack.
Really? Oh, well, proceed, ma'am, since this is yours.
My show today for you.
Ah, I
First
like
off,
that.
this one is called Jack Daniel's Cinnamon Smashed Apple.
Cinnamon smashed apple, and you made it
And
with.
it's got Jack cinnamon in it.
You put that on the coaster. Yeah. So, Jack cinnamon. I typically don't like
He
the
doesn't.
flavored
That's why he
whiskeys.
had the Jack, because I told him these are Jack. So he brings out and puts a bottle of Jack Daniels, but surprise,
Oh.
surprise, what's Jack
What in
are
the-
we using?
What in the world?
This drink is 1 ounce of Jack Fire, 1 ounce of lemon lime simple syrup. So basically, I took his Demerara syrup and I did a half and half for 1 ounce to make some lemon lime. So this one goes, oh, and it's got a splash of apple cider in it too. And then you stir it up in ice. So what do you think?
Mm.
Is that a good use for some Jack Fire?
It's like an iced down apple cider like you'd have in the fall, but it's lighter.
Because of the lemon, it's a little zestier.
Yeah,
That is pretty good.
that's really good. Hey, you'll make a bartender yet.
High five on that one.
Oh, okay. Now, all right. That was really, really good.
Okay.
I can't wait for these others.
Okay, here's number 2.
Okay.
This one is a Jack Honey Smash, which is 2 ounces. So it's going to be this whole little bottle of the Jack Honey. The first one was only half a bottle. So this is the 2 ounce of the Jack Honey. It's got a mint leaf that I muddled in it.
That's that earthiness I'm getting. I'm like, man, that is earthy as.
And this one I kind of made my own simple syrup again. It's got a half an ounce of lemon juice and a half ounce of Demerara syrup. And then pushed it through the shaker to get it really good and cold and then strain it over ice. What do you think?
I don't know what to think about this one. It's light, bold. There's some bold flavors there, but I can't put into words what it's like. It's very unusual. You get the earthiness. I see the mint floating around in there.
Well, it's the Jack Honey with lemon and mint.
Try that. I don't know what to think about that one.
The mint's really strong on this.
Yeah, it
And I
is.
only did 1 leaf. Maybe it'd been better if I just kind of garnished it instead of muddled it.
I don't know. Almost like a medicinal honey note.
Yeah, you really get the mint. The mint came across a little strong,
Mm-hmm.
and you definitely taste the honey.
Oh yeah, definitely. That one's interesting.
This one might be because of the Demerara syrup instead of just making a simple syrup and
Could
putting
be.
lemon.
Could be. Yeah, the Demerara adds some very complex flavors because of the turbinado sugar.
That one's interesting, and when it's hot and you just want a cool drink, it's kind of a
Yeah, it could be, refreshing. Absolutely. All right. But I mean, I really like that. I can't stand flavored whiskey, but this is like, yeah.
This one I think would go good with salmon.
Okay.
How this one is with the tart, but this one,
Something on the grill. That would be fantastic. All right. So
yep.
number 3.
Number 3, now I made this one up.
Uh-huh.
This was some stuff based off of the first one
Okay.
because it just,
And that's this one? Okay.
So they called that one the Cinnamon Smashed Apple. So this one I just called a Jack Fire Mango Smash. is what I named it.
Wow, that's a mouthful.
Well, I just kind of made this one. So
Ooh, that's
this one
fruity.
has the 2nd ounce of the Jack Fire, 2 ounces of mango over ice, shake it up, strain it over ice.
This reminds me, that Mediterranean restaurant we went to where you get the grilled pineapple with the cinnamon and everything.
Yes.
But imagine mango. And that's the vibe I'm getting from this.
Okay. So
It is a little thick, though.
So it's kind of like that sweet heat.
Try. You can definitely get the cinnamon on it, but it's very sweet. See what I mean?
Ooh.
Yeah, like
Chipotle barbecue would go good with this.
yes, it would. Absolutely. I mean, it's a little thick. I could see enjoying that, but it would be limited because of how thick it is.
Well, it could be diluted. And I used some mango puree that we had. So
But
probably
maybe like a mango liqueur instead next
or
time.
even if I put a touch of Sprite to it, it's kind of lighten it a little bit.
Yeah, that would actually cut down the sweetness and make it more refreshing. I think that would be excellent. Okay.
We play with variations here. We don't always take them.
All right. And finally, number 4.
That is,
This looks like ginger ale.
this is Jack Apple. So it's Jack Apple, 2 ounces. So it's that whole little bottle. And you can do it with lemonade or Sprite. I decided to do it with Sprite. And all you do is just kind of stir it in to a highball glass with ice.
So it's Jack Apple and Sprite over ice. This is a summertime refresher. Very light. You definitely get the apple. You get the citrus from the lemon lime soda. Try that. But it's not over the top.
Oh, it is light on the nose.
Mm-hmm.
And that apple, it's almost like an apple pie.
Yeah. And it's not too sweet.
You can make it with lemonade, but I like with the Sprite. I use Sprite Zero because it's carbonated. It gives it a little bit more zip to it, if you will, than just a lemonade. Because I mean, everybody gets hard lemonade.
Yeah. But all in all, I will say
That would be good with grilled burgers.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Grilled dogs and burgers, as light as that is. Yeah, brats would be fantastic. All right. By the way, did you know we are doing a giveaway?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. One lucky subscriber is going to win this Buffalo Trace store pick once we hit 100 subscribers. So according to the analytics, over 87% of you who are watching have not subscribed. If you want this bottle, hit that subscribe button because we're very, very close. And before you know it, we're going to be doing a drawing to determine who is going to get their own bottle of Buffalo Trace. Well, Mary, I will say I am very impressed. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And ladies, if you have been wondering about what to do for Father's Day, whip up a cocktail for them. Let them know you cared. Give them something unexpected like what just happened to me. Well, I think that's going to do it for this Father's Day episode.
And for all you fathers out there, happy Father's Day.
Yes. So until next time, everybody. Cheers.
Cheers.